Hey y'all, I was sent over a record player from One by One. We're going to get it opened up, kind of go over some of the features on it. I'm going to get it hooked up and then get it set up, and I'll show you the end results. Right now, let's get it opened up and go over some of the basics of it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, it appears there's a box in a box. Not exactly a box in a box, but sort of. We have our record player here, right here. There's our instructions here. They have a really well laid out quick start guide. Goes over how to get it all set up. There's also a great installation video. I'll put a link to that down there in the description. And by the way, if you want to buy this, I'll add a link to the Amazon product page where you can order yours. Let's get back to it. I have a feeling this is going to be our speakers. We'll see. Yep, that is our speakers there. We'll just kind of set this to the side for a moment, and then we'll get this taken out of the packaging so we can see it. Wow, that's a heavy-duty turntable there. Oh, this is pretty, y'all. Our dust cover, we'll move that out of the way for a moment. Very well packaged. Hopefully you can see that. Nice wood grain. I want to go over some of the ports on the back and kind of show you some. I'm going to lower that camera down and zoom it in so you can see. Okay, starting right over here, we have our ground connector. Right here we have our RCA jacks. These are going to be your outputs to run to a separate amplifier or other audio device. Right here you have your phono and your line switch. If you're going to connect this to an amplifier, you'll switch that over to line, or if you're just going to use the record player, leave it on phono. Right here we have a USB-B type port. The cord has a USB-B on this end, and it'll plug in right there. On the other end of the cord will be a USB-A plug. We'll plug our AC in right here. This will be our power cord jack. And we have our left and right speakers right here. You'll put one side up there, the other side up there. And right over here is our main power switch, our on and off right there. That covers the connections on the back. Let's get it hooked up and get it playing. Hey, while I'm putting this record player together, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you're getting any value at all out of this video. And if you haven't done so yet, I am inviting you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That way you can come back and watch more videos.
Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine.
Right here is your volume. You can turn it up and down right there. If you want to switch over to Bluetooth, you can just hit the mode right there. That'll jump over to Bluetooth. And as you see, you can connect to 1 by 1 BS017. Then you'll be able to play your music through the speakers. Turn that up. You have 45 records, you can flip that over to the 45 speed. You can just hit the mode button again. That'll go back to your record player. And you can hit play. It'll be playing, you can see it. You can pause it. It's like that. When you get through listening to your record, you got a lift arm right here. You can just pick that up. Move that back over there, drop it down, slide your latch over there, and you're in good shape. Comes with a adapter here for your 45 records. You'll be able to put them right there. And just a little hint on your record player on the weight adjustment. if you live in a wood floor house or not on a foundation where your floor kind of moves a little bit possibly, and you notice your needle is kind of skipping, you can add just a little bit more weight. Just turn your weight and it will weight down the head of your tone arm, and it'll keep that needle down on that record and it won't bounce. You want it just barely, you want it to touch your record, but not cut into it. But if it's bouncing when you're walking across the floor, you can move that weight up a little bit more, add a little more weight to your tone arm. Really nice looking record player. Just, it looks really good with this bookcase, I think. It's a little different grain, but it blends right in, looks good. I love these speakers. Sound really good. Easy to put together, easy to operate, nothing to it. Thumbs up. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.